Good afternoon. I am doing a bike ride around Lake Burley, Griffin. I am near Governor General House. So you can see the in distance Black Mountain Tower. So behind these trees, Governor General's house. That is the Arboretum, which we saw earlier. So this is all forest and the uphill. I did climb that bit of uphill and the nice plants around. This is the golf course around. So there is a golf course here. So it's a nice view from here. So you can see all the 360 degrees views of Canberra while the bike path around Lake Burley, Griffin. And I will show you myself a little bit. And you can see me. And so around. And I will take you around up to Governor General House, which is just behind that trees. So here, that is the Telstra Tower.
Time 3 hours 40 minutes. Distance 21.49 kilometers. Average pace 10 minutes 14 seconds per kilometer.
Behind that trees. Sri Chinmay does half marathons and 10k, 5k runs using this path. So I participate in those Sri Chinmay fun runs. And we do Saturday bike ride around Lake Burley, Griffin. This is where the I'm crossing the road. So this is where. So I have to watch the traffic. You can see, I'll just stop 1 second. That is the Governor General's house. So you can see, I will show you, I will go up to there is a Burley Griffin lake and there is a bridge there here. I will take you there also. So that same video you can see the Burley Griffin and some bridges across crossing the bike paths. So it is a nice view and nice flora and fauna. Canberra bush capital with the Burley Griffin and Lake Burley Griffin and going around Lake Burley Griffin. One loop it covers 20 kilometers. If you cover with the wetlands, it is 32 kilometers. So I do 32 kilometers today. So from my house it comes to around 36 kilometers. So this is the wooden bridge on Lake Burley Griffin. So you can see the birds are here. In summer, it is summer now, getting from spring to summer. I will just pause for 1 minute. So you can see the nice arboretum there and nice view from here. And Lake Burley Griffin goes around the Canberra and nice, and there is a golf course around that place. So this is the where. So I will show myself. So nice views, nice lake, and nice bike ride around the Burley Griffin. So you can enjoy the basic nature wonder in Canberra.